This is just a quick introduction to layers in Inkscape. They can be useful for a number of reasons. For instance, I have this player here with this embossing effect. If I want to turn it off and just work on the shape of my player's body, I can do so that way. I can also get rid of the eye so that I can work it independently. It allows me to lock various layers so that when I'm trying to grab this embossing effect in order to change its color, I'm not worried about what all I am grabbing because I know that I'm only grabbing something from in that particular layer because my other ones are locked. So I'm going to show you how to add a layer. What I want to do is I had a layer, an original copy of this square player that I had worked on, and I lost my original and I only have the sprite sheet from it. So I'm going to go ahead and import that sprite sheet from a file. And I'm just going to drag that over into Inkscape and import it. And now I have these as a reference for all of the movements I want to create for my current player. So I want to lower this so it's below my current player, and then I will spread it out over my grid system so that it lines up. I'm not going to trace it directly, but it will. I put a fair bit of work at the time into getting the kind of motions I wanted to have exist working, and so I'll go ahead and use this sprite sheet as my reference so I don't have to go through all of that process again. Again, this is just a very quick introduction to how layers work. They can be useful for a huge number of things, including being able, as I said, to lock your components in place so that you're only editing the specific parts you want to at a time.